touch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now.
This is the moment that I've been waiting for. This is the original first generation iPhone. This is the 8GB model. I got it on eBay, and I don't even know if it's legit, but I'm pretty sure it is. I searched the serial number, the IMEI number, and everything seems to have checked out. It hasn't been activated. The serial number has never been registered with Apple. Fingers crossed, because I am doing today an unboxing of the first generation iPhone, and it's crazy because I never did do an unboxing of the first gen iPhone. The only unboxing that I did do of the original iPhone was a phone bill. You guys have never seen this. This was back in the day when I'd first got my phone. It was a 300-page iPhone bill. So I essentially, in some sort of weird roundabout way, I did unbox this phone, just the phone bill.
I have an iPhone, and I had to switch to AT&T. Okay, that's wonderful. Well, I got my first AT&T bill. Right here. In a box.
This phone means so much to me, and there's a lot of sentimental value, and the fact that I never really got a chance to unbox the original one, I have been scouring eBay for the past couple of years trying to find one that was legit. But within minutes, we will know. I feel like this is such a big moment. I don't even know what to do. Like, I don't know, should I put on a party dress or something? I don't know, maybe I just open it. Hope for the best. What knife would I have used in 2007? I don't even know. Some of the concerns that I have on this box that may potentially lead me to believe that it's not real is this little packaging line right here. There's a few tears, but granted this has been around for 11 years. So I was trying to find some original unboxings, and I saw some original photos, and in those original photos of the original iPhone, it looked like they used to have this type of line and packaging, so I thought it's gotta be real. I think I'm putting too much hope and effort into unboxing this when I just can open it and find out. Here we go, we're gonna use this one. Wow, this is a lot of pressure. Oh gosh, I might cry. This is so stupid. Don't cry, Justine, don't cry, don't be a baby. Oh my gosh, this is happening, it's happening, it's happening. Oh wow. Here it is. What's my heart rate? Oh my God, my heart rate it's actually 92 right now, which is kind of crazy because that's not what my resting heart rate usually is. It's averaging of like, oh my God, it's 111 right now. My heart rate is 111. 112? I'm getting so worked up. Please don't cry. Okay, ready. I'm actually getting really teary-eyed right now, and like whether this is real or whether it's not, the fact that I'm here unboxing this 11 years later and I'm still doing something that I absolutely love to do is so incredible. I'm so emotional right now. This is actually crazy. So far, this looks pretty legit. There's like a little pull tab here. Oh gosh, no, my baby, my baby. So far, everything looks pretty good. Before we get into the phone, let's see what else is in the box. So it has this clear little front. I don't even remember doing this unboxing originally. Here it is. Everything is very snugly fit in here, which makes me believe this has never been opened before. A charging brick, a dock. I do not even remember this coming with a dock. That's crazy. Here's our charging cable. Oh my gosh. You are such a sweet, sweet soul. I have not seen you in so long. And last but not least, the Earpods. Definitely having some flashbacks to this 30-pin connector. I mean, I haven't seen one of these in such a long time. I guess I saw it on the 3GS, but still. Honestly, forgot that they even had this. Now let's see what came inside of these directions. I don't want to rip it. This is my baby. Fingertips. Oh, hello. Came with a nice cleaning cloth. Lay you down very, very gently. That's where we're gonna put you. Here's our directions. I mean, there's a lot. We've also got the original white stickers. I am putting this all back right where I got it from. Important product information. This just looks like some safety things. iPhone contains sensitive components. Do not bend, drop, or crush iPhone. If you're concerned about scratching iPhone, you can buy one of the many cases sold separately. I should do a dramatic reading of this for a YouTube video. I might as well. I'm gonna be milking these iPhone original views for a very long time. I'm doing an unboxing and also a reboxing because I don't want any of my things to get damaged. So I guess this only leaves us with one more thing to do. Unwrap the phone and turn it on. Let's get our charging brick ready. Oh, that is really on there. It feels like it's gonna rip this whole screen off. I guess this has been on there for, doesn't have a smell, for like, what, 11 years? Do you guys think this will actually turn on? Do you think this will even work at all? It's charging. It's charging. There's a charging. If there's a charge. Look, 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 it's charging. I am so excited. Well, I'm gonna let this charge for a little bit and then I'm gonna come back and we will just do some investigating, just see what we can do with this thing. Just been walking around the house patiently waiting for this moment. Let's see if it'll turn on. What? You want me to connect it to iTunes? That's a problem. Oh no, I can't do that. This version of iTunes has not been out for 11 years. Okay, well if it wants me to connect it to iTunes, then that's what I'm gonna do. First we're gonna whoa, Netflix. I know, shh, calm yourself. Opening up iTunes. iTunes cannot connect to the iPhone because an invalid response was received from the device. It's valid, show me, oh God, how am I gonna even get this thing to work? Oh boy, okay, download old version of iTunes. I can't use this. Okay, so I'm gonna get a PC. This is gonna work, I promise. Actually, I don't promise. Supported systems, Windows XP, well man, this is not gonna work. Oh gosh. The real bottom line is, the phone is legit. It looks brand new. It's never been activated before. It has completed setup. I don't have to jailbreak it, or will I have to jailbreak it? I'm not sure. This is gonna take a lot more time than I have currently right now to dedicate to this, but stay tuned, because I will get this phone to work, no matter what I have to do. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to doing a little bit more of investigating with this phone. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna get back to working. If you guys have any suggestions for me, leave those in the comments below. As of this point, I have done absolutely zero research on how to get this to work, so I have a feeling that between your comments, my Google searches, and a little bit more investigation, we'll be able to get this thing up and running in no time. This is, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Yeah, do whatever you want.